So this is the main basic things to do if you have new band machine. First, you need to fill the water inside, at least 4 liters I think. And then make it sure it's off. And then if you put already 4 liters, the indication that you have already put 4 liters is when the water drips down here. So it means it's full. Then you will just need to wait the water to stop, and that indicates that your tank is already full inside. So after that, you can turn it on and then plug, and then it will start boiling. So this method is to avoid burning your machine. You will just wait to drip down all the water, and then this green indicator, if it is activated and it's light already green, that means your band machine is ready to use.